Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Crypto. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Atomic Wallet application using your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your Atomic Wallet application from your app drawer. In order to log into your Atomic Wallet, you'll need to type in your password that you created during signing up. Type in the password in the text field correct and then tap on the login button at the bottom of the screen. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the main homepage of Atomic Wallet. It is that simple. All you need to do is make sure that you remember your password and you'll be good to go. That is how you'll be able to log into your Atomic Wallet application quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.